Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at JASMY coin, or JASMY, currently ranked at 170 with a market cap of about $162 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $13 million. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. So for the day, we are down just about 0.3%. And today we are going to be looking at all things JASMY. We're on the chart for JASMY versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And as you know, we have our two EMAs right here on our screen. And also we have all our support and resistance levels. And one of the things we have been seeing right there for JASMY was that we are not bullish except we get above at least the 50 EMA, right? As you can see, the moment we were struggling with the 50 EMA right here, we said, guys, we are still bullish in JASMY on the long term. Could still see a push to the downside, which we have seen. Currently, we are still holding this level, but I'm still postulating that we could see one more push to this end to form some sort of a double bottom right there for JASMY, which could see JASMY push to the bottom another 3% before we see any other push to the upside. And I'll tell you one of the reasons why we could still see another one more push right back down to the bottom for JASMY, right? If we basically just flip to the volume profile helps us understand what is happening behind the scenes. You basically would see that the bulls are in control. We are seeing huge buying pressure from the bulls, but one of the things we are also seeing is right back that, as you can see, the bears, we are seeing huge selling price action right here coming in. I must confess that there's not a lot of pressure for volume right here for JASMY on the chart. As if we push to a higher time frame, that gives us a context of what is happening, right? We usually see, as you can see, the Dosian channel most of the time tends to touch the lower part, right? And as you can see, since then we basically have just been having this sideways, and this is the 3 days time frame for JASMY, right? So we could still see the price of JASMY push right back down to the downside to form some sort of a double bottom before we see any push to the upside. As if we look at some of our indicators, as you can see, we are having huge bearish divergence. We are seeing reduced volume right here on the MACD. Also, we are seeing the volume right here for JASMY really decrease, right? That is really not good for JASMY on the long to short term. Basically, our RSI having huge bearish divergence right here, which is also not very good for the price of JASMY. And also we are seeing the stochastic see another push to the downside. All right, so this also just proves our theory that we basically could see one more push to the downside right here for JASMY of about 3% before we see any other push to the upside. But basically, we could still see one more push to the downside before we see that basically push to the upside. So basically, that's the update for JASMY for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.